Learn Hindi adjectives fast, tasty, useful, difficult, and simple in
Hindi.
Welcome to your Hindi adventure. Hey, you are about to learn 4 super useful Hindi words without suffering through a boring word list. Yes, this chapter is officially more
उपयोगी.
than a chocolate teapot. Today your mission is simple. Well, actually, it is.
सरल.
You will learn how to say tasty, useful, difficult, and simple in Hindi. The words are
स्वादिष्ट.
for tasty,
उपयोगी.
for useful,
कठिन.
for difficult, and
सरल.
for simple. By the end, these words will stop being strangers and start paying rent in your memory. A very serious snack emergency. Let's learn with a story, because your brain loves stories almost as much as it loves snacks. And if your brain says otherwise, your brain is lying. One afternoon, I walked into a tiny food shop with a huge appetite and very little dignity. I pointed at a steaming bowl of soup and took one bite. My eyes widened. My soul played background music. I whispered, "This is
स्वादिष्ट.
Quote. Yes.
स्वादिष्ट.
Means tasty. Then I asked for a spoon, a napkin, and maybe emotional support. The shopkeeper handed me a small tray with everything I needed. Very
उपयोगी.
I said. That means useful. Next, I tried reading the menu written in fancy handwriting that looked like it had been designed by a dramatic poet during an earthquake. It was
कठिन.
to read.
कठिन.
Means difficult. Finally, the cook came over, smiled kindly, and explained the menu in a short, clear way. Ah, I said, suddenly calm, now it is.
सरल.
Quote.
सरल.
Means simple. So in one tiny food shop, you got 4 mighty words.
स्वादिष्ट. उपयोगी. कठिन.
And
सरल.
honestly, that shop deserves an award. Word spotlight. Now let's slow down and make each word feel friendly. Think of this as introducing 4 new neighbors, except these neighbors actually help you. Tasty in Hindi is
स्वादिष्ट.
example. This soup is.
स्वादिष्ट.
Imagine eating ripe mango and nodding like a food critic who has finally found happiness. Useful in Hindi is
उपयोगी.
example. This tool is.
उपयोगी.
Imagine a tiny flashlight appearing exactly when you drop your keys under the sofa. Difficult in Hindi is
कठिन.
example. This test is.
कठिन.
Imagine even your calculator sweating a little. Simple in Hindi is
सरल.
example. This exercise is.
सरल.
Imagine a messy board being erased until one clear answer remains. Mini dialogues you can actually use. You learn faster when words speak to each other. So here are short dialogues, with 0 boring robots and only mild chaos. A. How is the food? B. It is.
स्वादिष्ट.
A. Is this app good? B. Yes, it is very.
उपयोगी.
A. Is the exam easy? B. No, it is.
कठिन.
A. Is this difficult? B. No, it is.
सरल.
A. How was the meal? B. Very.
स्वादिष्ट.
A. Was her advice helpful? B. Yes, very.
उपयोगी.
Memory tricks that stick. Let's make these words memorable, because forgetting is rude. Your memory deserves better interior decoration. 4.
स्वादिष्ट.
Imagine a giant spoon in your kitchen pointing to a glowing sign.
स्वादिष्ट.
The soup is so tasty that everyone around you says the word dramatically. 4.
उपयोगी.
Imagine a toolbox full of clever objects. Every item inside is labeled.
उपयोगी.
Because each one solves a problem at the perfect moment. 4.
कठिन.
Picture a huge locked door. You push, pull, and wobble like a confused penguin. The door is labeled.
कठिन.
4.
सरल.
Imagine a clean white page with just one calm word in the middle.
सरल.
No clutter, no panic, no dramatic violin music. Quick practice challenge. Your turn now. I ask, you answer in your head or out loud like a brave language hero standing in the kitchen. What is the Hindi word for tasty?
स्वादिष्ट,
What is the Hindi word for useful?
उपयोगी,
What is the Hindi word for difficult?
कठिन,
What is the Hindi word for simple?
सरल,
Translate this. The food is tasty.
खाना स्वादिष्ट है.
Translate this. This idea is useful.
यह विचार उपयोगी है.
Translate this. The test is difficult.
परीक्षा कठिन है.
Translate this. This method is simple.
ये तरीका सरल है.
Opposites and connections. Words love having friends and enemies. Let's introduce them to both. A tasty meal is.
स्वादिष्ट,
A useful idea is.
उपयोगी,
A difficult puzzle is.
कठिन,
A simple explanation is.
सरल,
Notice one helpful contrast.
कठिन,
Is difficult while.
सरल,
Is simple. That pair is a great mental shortcut. One word groans. The other word relaxes. Friendly conclusion. You did it. 4 Hindi words are now sitting comfortably in your mind, probably asking for tea. Today you learned.
स्वादिष्ट,
For tasty.
उपयोगी,
For useful.
कठिन,
For difficult and.
सरल.
For simple. Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing, say the words out loud, use them in tiny sentences, and come back tomorrow so your Hindi becomes stronger, smoother, and a lot more fun. You are doing great.